times. Now that the new design is done, now it's time for the competition. The competition is whoever lands the water balloon closest to the target wins, and we have a prize for the winner.
Here we go. Charlie's taking the first drop. Never mind. You're kidding. It dropped the water balloon.
Okay.
Go. First drop. The max is 100 feet. That's where we're going.
No, 22, Gert. Not 100.
100 feet.
No, that's 22 feet. Oh, 22 meters.
Yeah. No, that's not 22 feet. Here we go. He drops. How do you think he's gonna do, Ben?
I think he's gonna fail.
He's gonna drop. First drop. Oh, it's just outside. That was so close.
Okay, that was pretty cool though.
The water balloon dropped just right there, and the target was right there. He didn't miss by much. Okay. How do you feel about your first performance?
I think it's probably better than most of you are gonna do.
Okay. I don't disagree with him. He's the most experienced here. Again, like placing it in the spot.
Yeah, but down doesn't really work because of the balloon. How do I change the camera? No. I'll just be up to 20 meters and then you can do it. That was the altitude.
Here you go, you cameraman, Charlie.
Yeah. This is Ben's attempt. I'm just gonna step back.
Oh wait,
here.
Charlie, right here, right here.
I don't know where the drone is. I can't see it. That's 22
Okay,
meters.
don't point it up because we got a camera going.
Where's the target? Go forward more.
Charlie's first. This is Ben's first attempt.
I can't see anything on the
Oh,
GoPro.
you're way off, Ben. Let me tell you that.
There, it's going. It's going.
No, Oh.
Now land it. How do I land it? Just press.
Far away.
Press land.
This seems way harder than it looks. So now it's my turn. Ben just went. He missed outside of the zone. How do you feel about that performance, Ben? Your turn.
I hated it. It was really hard to drop the balloon.
I don't
Hopefully
think
I get it better next time.
I don't think I'm gonna do any better. Here we go.
Gordy's first attempt. Here we go. It's in the bottom left-hand corner.
Why am I going up still?
Because you're using the left joystick. 14 meters is bottom left, see? Oh, that was way off! Oh.
Oh my!
This is harder than it looks.
I don't feel like anyone's gonna hit the target.
Gordy, how do you feel about your performance?
Oh, it's my turn? Worse than you do.
Yeah, I think that was the furthest off.
Charlie, Ben, you can come in.
And the winners, but mostly losers of this competition, is bronze for Ben,
Yay.
Gold for you.
gold for me, and silver for Gordy. I wrote notes on the bottom for some reason.
You're bad. Whatever this is.
You're okay.
And you win.
Yay!
Yeah. Just before the video ends, I just wanted to try to get a bullseye on the target. Get a bullseye on that target.
Yep. because we weren't able to get a bullseye in the whole entire video. So he's gonna attempt to get it. Trick shots. Is this going on all the hobbies? Yeah, I think you're on. You're right here. Oh, that go all over the camera. There you go. All the tears.
Yeah.
Right here, right now, Ben.
Oh, we can do it.
Oh! Here we go. He's going for the bullseye once again. It's a nice day today. Really nice day for filming, definitely. I think we picked the perfect day. Like the last few days, it's been just cloudy. Oh, that's in! Oh! That was so close. I thought that was going for the bullseye. I thought that was gonna hit the target.
That was totally gonna hit it. It was so close.
Do you actually want me to hit you with a water balloon? Sorta? Okay, I'm gonna try to hit. Sorry? Okay. Yeah, I do trick shots for a living. You better watch out, Ben. You wanna hold it? Okay, here we go. Let's go, Ben. Oh, this is the last water balloon. He's gonna try to get a bullseye with it. That's a bullseye. No, wait, you have to move this way. Great use of our last water balloon, Charlie. Oh my gosh. We just used our last water balloon. He just dropped the drone straight down. Hit the ground. He didn't even drop the balloon. He just dropped the drone straight down. Now the drone's flying all over the place. Did you have control over that, Charlie?
Actually, no, I didn't.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, because this did take a fairly long time. Thanks so much to Curveball Sports for helping me with this video. And yeah, this is us picking up all the broken water balloons if you were wondering.